Greetings, conscious gearheads. It's your girl Charlotte here, and I thought I'm at home, but I thought I would share with you guys one of my inventions from the Conscious Gear Lab. I believe I introduced this about a year ago, but the good news is that we're ready to go into production. And so you're probably wondering, what's this overlay? This overlay really is about, I just want to kind of show you guys that, here's the VestaPak. Plain old VestaPak. It's in black. A lot of people are concerned about the fact that because it's black, they're worried about the heat coming down on it and heating them up. I will say this, that does not happen. A lot of it has to do with the fact that we have this internal mesh that even if the outside gets a little warm, it could get a little warm, but it does have sunscreen reflective properties. I've never known, I live in Arizona, I've been out for hours and upon hours, and I've never really known it to get super hot or anything like that, but I understand the concern, and so I want to address it. And so I decided how I was going to address it was create this overlay. But before then, I wanted to let you know that a few weeks ago, whenever this video comes out, I told you guys that you could personalize the back of your VestaPak. You could put patches, stickers, heat transfer vinyl, pins, whatever you want to kind of make it your own, make it customized to your vibe, your energy, whatever it is you into. But nonetheless, we're going to go into production on some overlays. And what these overlays do is provide you with a different color overlay so that you don't have to worry about the heat, right? We're using a kind of material that reflects the sun. It won't get warm or anything like that. And as a matter of fact, it might, I think one of the properties is that it is a little bit heat, absorbs a little heat. But what I love about it is that I can put whatever designs I want to on the back of there, and it'll just go right on the back of there. It's easy to detach. Now this one has snaps. This one has a snap because this is a prototype. This is what I first created for myself to test it out. However, we've come to the conclusion that we wanted something that was easier to put on the VestaPak as well as easy to take off. So overlays now will have two hooks on the sides here that are hook into where your trekking poles go to, that little ribbon area. You can just hook it in on this side and on this side. And then what we'll do is we'll send you guys 4 round Velcro attachments so that you could put it on there yourself. And then all you have to do is Velcro it on and then Velcro it off. You'll have 2 Velcro, round little Velcro sections on the top, and then you'll also have 2 more at the bottom. And this way between that you'll put on the bottom. In this case, I'm using snaps. I created the Velcro one, but I forgot to bring it with me, but I wanted to shoot this video anyways. At any rate, before Velcro, you will just put it on your VestaPak. We're also trying to locate the type of self-sticking Velcro that will allow you to put it on. It'll be stable, definitely keep it in place, but also allow you the opportunity to take it off. Because maybe you want to do your overlay sometimes, and the other times maybe you won't even want to do your overlay and you want to remove it. So we will definitely give you instructions about how to do both, how to enjoy having an overlay or not.
Today's sponsor is Conscious Gear, innovators of VestaPak, the world's first hydration vest specifically designed for taller, curvier, more muscular, and bigger bodies. Now everyone can hydrate comfortably and effectively during endurance activities. The vest-style design fits diverse body types, weighs less than typical packs, and feels as comfortable as your favorite fitted sports shirt, all while allowing unrestricted movement. Experience the difference when your hydration gear is truly made for your body. Are you ready to elevate your fitness experience? Buy your VestaPak now at consciousgear.com and find out if you wear size, earth, wind, or fire. At Conscious Gear, we're committed to empowering bigger bodies to thrive as endurance athletes, because every body is an athlete's body.
And so yeah, I just want y'all to know that I hear you. Your feedback is important to me, and I try to respond to those needs and those wants and those desires. We will be going to other colorways as it relates to VestaPak, but in the meantime, for those people that do have the current one, or that will continue to have the current one, or will continue to buy the black one, we will have the overlays as another option for you to kind of customize, individualize your VestaPak, but then also add a little color, add a little protection, additional protection to the back of your VestaPak. For those of you concerned about the black fabric in hot heat. I'm telling you, it doesn't get hot. This vest has sat outside my house when it was over 100 degrees on the ground all day and it didn't heat up, but I understand. So I just thought I would share this with you guys. Tell me what you think about the overlay. I think the overlay is gonna be dope. And oh, much love. Can I get some love here for my girl Latasha? She did this one. She created this art. I commissioned her to create some art. And this is Harriet Tubman. And if you know anything about Harriet Tubman, she walked nearly 100 miles to freedom. And so I call her the ultimate outdoors woman. And so she created this artwork for me. And so this is one of the overlays that I'll be producing and that allow you to give a little shout out to Harriet. All right, because she was walking in these streets long before any of us was walking in these streets. She was doing the outdoors things before. She was doing the outdoors thing out of necessity in an effort to be free. And so I want to pay homage and honor to her. So tell me what you think. Again, it's Latasha. Her Instagram handle is jitterbug_art. So check her out. Fabulous art. Oh my God. And love you, Latasha. All right, family. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the overlay. Let me know your thoughts. Peace.